Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the rear windshield wiper fuse and rear windshield wiper relay are located on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. So we need to come in here and pop our hood. So we're going to open this fuse box right here. We need to lift these two tabs right here and lift. So this box has a somewhat of a diagram on the back. It'll tell you that this is the rear windshield wiper relay right here. And then the rear windshield wiper fuse is the 6th fuse this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. It is a 20 amp micro blade fuse. So again, it's the 6th one over in this line right here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.